Hey everyone, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you how I transform an old pant trouser of mine into a chest bag and a sun hat. I'm doing this because I simply love the fabric of the jean, even though it's way too small for me. So that's why I transformed it to something I can still rock. So this is it. First of all, I just unseam the sides. Now I'm just going to cut the middle part, the center part of the hat. I really do love the fabric of this pants. 2x doesn't fit me anymore, so I'm glad I can use it for this. So next I'm just going to measure the circumference of this so that I'll to measure at the rest. So next I'm just going to measure at the round down part, which is the flap that makes it sun hat. So just follow the way I'm doing it. I'm measuring from the tip 4-inch round, which would give me the exact circumference I already measured, which is 28. So 7 times 4, that's what it is. Next I'm just going to cut out 4-inch round. Just put your tape exactly the way I'm putting mine. This is how you get a perfect cycle. So this is it. I'm using this fabric because it's easier to use this and cut out from the jean than to just try to do that directly. It won't work. So just get a piece of landing to do this, then place it on top of the jean trouser. So this is front and back. It's going to give me exactly what I need. So this is it. So this is how you manage fabric and stick with something beautiful from it. So this is it. I'm gonna cut it now. Yeah, so I'll attach both sides to make it the complete round flay. So next I'm just going to cut out the middle part of the hat. So this one comes is immediately after the round part at the top. So I'm just cutting it exactly the size of what I need, which is 28, because I want the hat to be a bit bigger than normal. So I'm just going to do it now. Cut it and then join, and ready to join like this. So you see, simple. I've done this so many times, so you can go to my other posts to see the detailed way I do this kind of art. So next I'm just going to cut out the back parts. And one thing I love so much about upcycling an old item is that sometimes they just come prepared exactly the way to make this project comes out beautiful. Just the way this leg part just curved exactly the way I want it, so it makes it beautiful. So next I'm just going to cut the side, which I'm going to need about 9 to 10 inch. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm trying to cut what I'm going to put at the both sides. So I'm making it 10 inch in length and 2 inch in width, so that it can fit in perfectly with that length that I have there already. So every fabric in this pants is going to be useful today, so just watch as I do this. To think that I've always wanted a chest bag, I'm so glad I have it now. Next I'm going to turn it inside out and attach both sides to this middle back. So that's what I'm going to do. It's going to come out shorter, which is understandable because of the down part. So this is it. I'm going to hold the sides like this so that it will have a smaller opening, which makes it more cuter and gives it a beautiful shape. So this is it. Next I'm going to use a fabric pin, something to hold it together. I don't need something huge. This smaller one are cute and effective, so I'll attach it. Next I'm going to use the waistband for the strap of the bag. I'll just unseam it and then join it to give it the strap that I want. I measure 32-inch for the strap. Next, I'm going to just make this cute bag, just cut a small shape and then make a cute bag for the strap. And now I'm going to attach the strap to the bag. So I want the bag to sit up high, so I'm using 32 inch. It depends on how up you want it to sit on your chest. Next, I'm going to attach the small coin, or say money bag, at the strap. This is it. Just put where you put your money or whatever it is, or key. And this is it. Very simple. So I attach the down part into the bag to make it a perfect finish. So this is it. Don't think this is over. I wanted it to look more cuter, and something I purchased, so I added a bit of pin at the edge. I just added to fabric, and then this is it. The bag is ready to rock. So now this is a perfect combination. I'm so ready to rock it. You can do yours with that old jeans of yours that don't size you anymore. So thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if today is your first time on my channel, and share to your friends and give the video a thumbs up. Bye for now.